You sit down to work, open your laptop, and within seconds, you are distracted. You check your phone, scroll for just a minute, and suddenly an hour is gone. This is not a laziness, this is something much deeper. In today's world, your focus is under attack. Every notification, every scroll, every click is designed to steal your attention. And slowly, your brain is changing. But the good news is, you can take it back. Your brain runs on something called dopamine. Every time you get a notification, watch a short video, or switch tasks, your brain gets a small reward. At first, it feels harmless, but over time, your brain gets addicted to quick rewards. And now, deep work feels boring. That is why you cannot focus. Not because you are lazy, but because your brain is trained to escape effort. The biggest problem is not distraction, it is overstimulation. Your brain is constantly flooding with information, social media, videos, notification. There is no silence anymore, and without silence, your brain cannot think deeply. You become reactive instead of intentional. You lose control without even realizing it. So, how to fix it? It starts with something simple but uncomfortable. Boredom. Yes, boredom is the key. Your brain needs to reform how to sit still. Start with just 10 minutes a day. No phone, no music, no distractions. Just you and your thoughts. At first, it will feel difficult, but that is a sign it is working. Slowly, your brain resets, your focus improves, and deep thinking comes back. Next, train your focus like a muscle. Work in short session, 25 minutes of pure focus. Then take a break, remove distractions, keep your phone away. Create an environment where focus becomes natural. Remember, focus is not something you are born with, it is something you build. And in a world full of distraction, your ability to focus is the biggest advantage. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Brainforge because here we don't just think, we upgrade the way we think.